Hey bud, how's it going? So I'm going to do a video, I'll send you the screenshots, and then I'm going to sort of proceed. I think I've gone through a good, 10 ThemeForest themes. Yeah, there's some that do some fancier things. Probably nothing we really haven't done before with HTML, not a whole lot. They are doing some cool things on hover. That's probably where their aesthetic, the wow factor really comes in. Is pretty much all your pictures, they zoom on hover. They have the captions and prices and quick views that sort of pop in on hover. But one thing I did notice is the ones that looked really cool, like where they had a really cool image with text and stuff like that. Yeah, well, a lot of them they create the image with the text on it, like in Photoshop, and then that's the whole thing, right? 70% off, with different sizes and whatnot. So there's a bit of an illusion there. It's not done through Shopify. It's not just a banner picture that they've created. So what I've done here is I've removed the hand, just popped in a Font Awesome icon there, whether that stays or not, but and modified a little bit of the borders on the buttons as well. Here, this and this are actually the same bloody thing now. And I've actually made this featured collections. But down here we basically have a Photoshop background image. Here we have something taken with a digital camera or somebody's camera, whatever, right? Same over here. This is just a background image. There's a button here, text, titles, button. Same thing is going to be here, but on this box, I thought it'd be different just to, on hover, show the button. And sort of, we'll just sort of have a bit of a zoom, or we'll just sort of, increase the background image size by 20% or 10% or something to sort of include that zoom effect, which everybody else is doing. But basically, all I've done with these boxes now is it's a collection and a Photoshop type background image versus a background with all the other bits and pieces. So really, if somebody wants to use a background image with a gradient or something like that, they just replace it with, instead of a photo, they just make their own background image and put it in there. Texture, same thing. So I'll do 3 examples of, I'll have a background like this, I'll show it with a picture, and I'll show it with a flat color, using my little widgety things over here. I got rid of the wedding section. I think it's too much to bite off right now, and I didn't know how you'd figure it out. So I just went with featured products, which is much more in line with the other Shopify products or themes. And then we get into the book your appointment. Okay, already seen that. And this is, I don't know how you're going to do this. I'm thinking it may be a plugin, but really it's the same functionality as this up here. Basically a bootstrap carousel. And we're going to pop it in down here. So that I haven't really changed because I didn't have an answer. Right, and then this here, one thing I figured with this is like the word Marie and whatnot, that actually it's something that would have to be embedded onto the image itself, right? Just like it's not a piece of text that somebody can edit, so this would be part of the picture, right, done in Photoshop or whatnot. And over here, maybe just insert a page, so create a page for Marie Smith's testimonial and have that page be embedded into this area here, and this is just to get to select the background picture. So the button may not be a good idea, I don't know. And then I ran out of space down here. I haven't really changed anything after that. So, but I'm going to try this out, and we'll see how we go.